Comparison of fractions. In this comparison of fractions, we are going to learn which is the smallest fraction and which is the largest fraction, and how to write ascending order and how to write a descending order. Here we have some tips. First, comparing like fractions. Let us see one example. Two by 7, 5 by 7, 4 by 7, 1 by 7, 3 by 7. Here we have a rule to identify which is the largest. In given like fraction, the fraction with the greatest numerator is the greatest fraction. The fraction with the greatest numerator is the greatest fraction. Greatest fraction is 5 by 7. And the one with the smallest numerator is the smallest fraction. So 1 by 7 is the smallest fraction. One by 7. Next, how to write ascending order. Ascending order. To arrange the ascending order, we have to write the fraction in smaller to the smallest fraction to highest fraction, biggest fraction. So this is the smallest fraction, 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7. So this is the ascending order of arrangement. And also we can write like this also, 1 by 7 smaller than symbol, less than 2 by 7, less than 3 by 7, less than 4 by 7, less than 5 by 7. By observing this, we can write a descending order easily. So descending order. Five by 7, 4 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7, 1 by 7. That is, we can write like this also. 5 by 7 is greater than 4 by 7 is greater than 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7 is greater than 1 by 7. Comparing unlike fractions. Type 1. The fractions with the same numerators. The fractions with the same numerators. Let us say one example. These are unlike fractions because the different denominators, those have different denominators. So that's why these are unlike fractions. To compare these fractions, the fractions with the unlike fractions with the same numerators, we have to compare the denominators. The fraction with the least denominator is the greatest fraction. The fraction with the greatest denominator is the smallest fraction. So, therefore, the greatest fraction is equal to the greatest fraction is 5 by 2. The smallest fraction is 5 by 9. The greatest fraction, the fraction with the least denominator is the greatest fraction. The fraction with the greatest denominator is the smallest least fraction. Now we can write in ascending order. In this also we can apply that concept only. Ascending order, smaller to bigger, smallest to biggest. Smallest 5 by 9, 5 by 7, 5 by 4, 5 by 3, 5 by 2. Next, descending order. Big to small, 5 by 2, 5 by 3, 5 by 4, 5 by 7, 5 by 9. And also we can write 5 by 9 is less than 5 by 7, is less than 5 by 4, is less than 5 by 3, is less than 5 by 2. And also we can write this 5 by 2 greater than 5 by 3 is greater than 5 by 4 is greater than 5 by 7 is greater than 5 by 9. Comparing unlike fractions. Type 2. The unlike fractions with the different numerators. To compare unlike fractions with the different numerators, we have to convert these given fractions into equivalent like fractions. It means that their denominators should be made equal. Let us see this example. To make like fractions, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. 2, 8, 4, 6. 2 1s, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 3s. 2 2s, 2 1s, 3 bring down. So LCM 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24. So LCM of these denominators is 24. Write as denominator. Now divide this denominator 24 with the denominator of first fraction and multiply with this numerator. 2 1s, 2 1s, 2 2s, 12 5 is 60. Write below of this fraction. Next, divide 24 with the second denominator of second fraction and multiply with this numerator. 8 ones are 8 threes, 3 threes are 9. Next, this fraction 4 into 1, 4 ones are 4 6 are 6 ones are 6. 24 by 6 into 7, 6 ones are 6 fours are 4 sevens are 28. 28. We can write separately 60 by 24, 9 by 24, 6 by 24, 27 by 24. Now we can compare easily. So greatest fraction is these are like fraction. The fraction with the greatest numerator is the greatest fraction. So 60 by 24. 60 by 24 means first fraction. 5 by 2 is the greatest fraction. And the smallest fraction the fraction with the smallest numerator is the smallest fraction. So smallest numerator 6 by 24. 6 by 24 means 1 by 4. Next, ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. This is the smallest. This is the smallest. One by 4. 6 by 24 means this is the smallest. Next, 5 by 2. This is the largest. This is the largest. But second one, 6 after 9. 9 second. This is the second position. Next, this is the third position. This is the fourth position. So now we can write easily in ascending order. 1 by 4 is less than 3 by 8 is less than 7 by 6 is less than 5 by 2. Now descending order, big to small. 5 by 2 is greater than 7 by 6 is greater than 3 by 8 is greater than 1 by 4. To compare fractions, here we have an easy method, that is cross multiply method. If there are only two fractions to compare, this is the best method and easiest method. Let us see about this method now. Let the two fractions be n1 by d1, n2 by d2. We understood here n1, n2 are numerators and d1, d2 are denominators. On cross multiply, on cross multiply, cross multiply means like this we can cross multiply. Like this we can write here n1 d2. First we have to write numerator first, n1 d2, n2 d1, n2 d1, n2 d1. If this first number, this is the second number. If n1 d2 is greater than n2 d1, then first fraction is greater. If n2 d1 is greater than n1 d2, then second fraction is greater. If n1 d2 is equal to n2 d1, then both the fractions are equal. Both the fractions are equal. This is the method to compare two fractions. Let us say one example here. Three by 9 8 by 5. Which is the greatest or which is the smallest? To compare this, we have to multiply. 5 3s are 15, 9 8s are 72. So 72 is greater than 15. 15 less than 72. Therefore, second fraction is the means 8 by 5 is greater. 8 by 5 is greater than 3 by 9. So this is the method of comparing two fractions using cross multiply method. I think you understood well. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates, and also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.